moving. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. Give it to me, baby. And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy. Uno, dos, tres, cuatro, cinco, cinco, seis. You know I'm kinda hard now, just get along today. Our subject isn't cool, but he fakes it anyway. He may not have a cool man, he may not have style, but everything he lacks, well, he makes a big denial. So don't debate, play it straight. You know he really doesn't get it anyway. Gotta find a feel and keep it real. For you no way, for you no way. So if you don't rate, just overcompensate. At least you know you can always go on Ricky Lake. The world needs one of these, yeah. Hey, bring me the brand new thing. And all the girlies say I'm pretty fly for a white guy. He needs a cool tune now, just any rules of fight. But they didn't have ice cubes, so he bought vanilla ice. Now cruising in his big no easy homies as he passed. But if he looks twice, they're gonna kick his little ass. So don't debate, play it straight. He really doesn't get it anyway. You gotta play the field and keep it real. For you no way, for you no way. So if you don't rate, just overcompensate. At least you know you can always go on Ricky Lake. The world needs one of these now. Hey, hey, do that brand new thing. Give it to me, baby. He's getting done. He asked for a 13, but they drew a 31%. He's trying too hard, and he's not quite hip. But in his own mind, he's a double drip. So don't spray, but don't single. So don't be fake, play it straight. You know he really doesn't get it anyway. Gotta find a feel, keep it real. For you no way, for you no way. So if you don't rate, just overcompensate. At least you know you can always go on Ricky Lake. The world needs one of these now. The world loves one of these, yeah. Let's get the ball, one of these, yeah. Hey, do better anything.
Woo! All right, give it up. That was Mr. DB.
Mr. DB.
That's right. Doing some Offspring for us.
Like the Cooper.
DB Cooper. Yeah. Let's see. Next time we got.